Welcome to the next-gen Auto Hub. The 2001 Toyota Camry, part of the 5th-generation 1520 series, represents a defining chapter in the story of one of the world's most trusted sedans. By the early 2000s, the Camry had already become a benchmark for reliability, comfort, and everyday usability. Yet the 1520 generation elevated that reputation even further. It was not a car designed to excite through bold statements or radical styling. Instead, it earned loyalty through consistency, refinement, and an unwavering commitment to doing everything well. The 2001 Camry is the embodiment of quiet confidence, a sedan that understood its role and executed it with near perfection. From the outside, the 1520 Camry presents a design that is clean, balanced, and timeless. Its proportions are soft and reassuring, shaped to feel approachable rather than aggressive. The front fascia features gently contoured headlights flanking a modest grille, creating a friendly and composed expression. The hood slopes smoothly into the windshield, improving aerodynamics while maintaining a sense of visual calm. There is no unnecessary drama in the lines, only thoughtful design choices that allow the car to age gracefully. Even today, the 2001 Camry does not feel out of place, a testament to Toyota's restraint and foresight. The side profile continues this theme of understated elegance. The roofline flows naturally into the rear deck, creating a silhouette that prioritizes interior space and passenger comfort. Subtle character lines along the doors add just enough definition to prevent the body from feeling plain, while the large glass area enhances outward visibility. Wheel designs are simple yet functional, reinforcing the Camry's image as a car built for daily life rather than showroom spectacle. The 1520's dimensions strike a near-perfect balance, large enough to feel substantial, yet compact enough to remain easy to maneuver in city environments. At the rear, the Camry's design remains conservative and composed. The taillights are wide and softly shaped, wrapping slightly around the body to improve visibility. The trunk lid is broad and practical, offering excellent cargo access. Chrome accents are minimal, used sparingly to add refinement without excess. The entire exterior communicates a clear message. This is a sedan built to serve, to endure, and to quietly excel in every role asked of it. Step inside the 2001 Camry, and its true strengths become immediately apparent. The cabin is spacious, comfortable, and thoughtfully laid out. Toyota designed the interior to feel welcoming to drivers of all ages and experience levels. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with clearly labeled controls placed exactly where one expects them to be. Large climate control knobs, straightforward audio buttons, and a legible instrument cluster reduce distraction and make operation effortless. This is an interior that prioritizes ease of use above all else. Materials throughout the cabin are chosen for durability and comfort rather than flash. Soft touch surfaces appear in key areas, while high-quality plastics and fabrics ensure long-term wear resistance. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long-distance comfort. Whether navigating daily commutes or embarking on extended road trips, the Camry offers a relaxed seating position that minimizes fatigue. Rear seat passengers benefit from generous legroom and headroom, making the 1520 an excellent family sedan. Few vehicles in its class at the time matched the Camry's ability to keep all occupants comfortable, regardless of seating position. Under the hood, the 2001 Camry offered two proven powertrain options, both celebrated for their reliability. The standard 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine provided excellent fuel efficiency and smooth operation, making it an ideal choice for commuters and families. For those seeking additional power, the available 3.0-liter V6 delivered refined performance with impressive smoothness. Both engines were paired with transmissions tuned for longevity and predictability rather than sportiness. Acceleration was steady and controlled, perfectly aligned with the Camry's mission as a dependable daily driver. On the road, the 1520 Camry delivers a driving experience defined by comfort and composure. The suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections gracefully, isolating passengers from bumps, potholes, and uneven pavement. Steering is light and easy, ideal for urban driving and parking situations. At highway speeds, the Camry feels stable and secure, cruising quietly with minimal wind or engine noise. The cabin's sound insulation further enhances the sense of calm, allowing conversations and music to be enjoyed without interference. This is a car that reduces stress, transforming driving into a smooth and predictable experience. Safety was a key priority for Toyota during the development of the fifth-generation Camry. The 2001 model came equipped with standard front airbags, anti-lock brakes on many trims, and a rigid body structure designed to absorb impact energy effectively. Side airbags and traction control were available on higher trims, reflecting Toyota's proactive approach to occupant protection. The Camry's strong safety record contributed significantly to its popularity among families and safety-conscious buyers, reinforcing its reputation as a sensible and trustworthy choice. Beyond its engineering and design, the 2001 Camry holds cultural significance as one of the defining sedans of its era. It became a staple of suburban driveways, corporate parking lots, and city streets alike. Its reliability fostered deep trust, often leading owners to keep their Camrys for years, or even decades. The 1520 generation, in particular, is remembered for its ability to accumulate high mileage with minimal issues, earning its place among the most dependable vehicles ever produced. The Camry's success was never built on excitement alone. Instead, it was built on consistency. Owners knew what to expect: smooth starts, comfortable rides, low maintenance costs, and a sense of reassurance every time they turned the key. The 2001 Toyota Camry 1520 stands today as a symbol of thoughtful engineering and disciplined design. In the end, the 1520 Camry is more than just a car. It is a companion, a workhorse, and a reminder that excellence often speaks softly. It does not chase trends or excitement. It simply delivers year after year, mile after mile. And that is precisely why it remains unforgettable. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our channel grow. See you in the next video.